Some of the things coming up in this update: this update begins here at the Cocoa Curve, where Brightline's Orlando line will head west from the existing Florida East Coast Railway main line on its way to the station at Orlando International Airport. The curve is located in the northwest corner of the US 1 State Road 528 interchange in Cocoa. A lot has changed here since my last visit. The pond here at center has grown considerably as dirt has been removed to create the large ramp seen on the left that will take the tracks over Industry Road. The ramp itself is new as work had just barely begun on it the last time I was here. All the necessary pilings are now in place to support the bridge over Industry Road. Work is progressing slower on the ramp down on the west side of Industry Road since not much has changed there since my last visit. Now let's take a closer look at the ramp. The incline will begin just after the tracks exit the tunnel under State Road 528. It will rise steadily until it flattens out once it reaches the height necessary to make it over Industry Road. It looks like they are going to wait to finish the section of the ramp next to the pilings, since one of the access roads they are using goes through that area currently. The pilings on the right will end up looking like those on the far side of Industry Road when complete. I would expect the ramp to be complete by the next time I do an update here. I next head to the work site of the Cocoa Tunnel. The tunnel is located adjacent to the existing Florida East Coast Railway main line about 3/4 of a mile east of where I was filming the Cocoa Curve. The tunnel will take the tracks under State Road 528, where they will begin their turn west. Despite what it may seem, tunnel is the correct term to describe this based on all of the documentation I have seen. The tunnel segments are being pre-built here next to the road and will literally be pushed under State Road 528 using a method called box jacking. This uses hydraulic jacks to move the tunnel segments through the ground into place. 3 segments will make up the final tunnel. Segment 1 will be pushed under first. Segments 2 and 3 will then be pushed right, and segment 2 will be pushed under. Finally, segment 3 will be pushed the rest of the way right, then under to complete the tunnel. The last time I was here, only 2 segments were under construction, but since then, the 3rd and final segment has been started. The tunnel will be wide enough for double track, but low enough to prevent freight trains from using the line. The grade of the ramp over Industry Road is also steep enough to prevent freight traffic. Part of the lease agreement Brightline signed for the right-of-way to Orlando prohibited freight traffic on the line, which is the reasoning behind this. Here is a quick pan showing the tunnel and Cocoa curve. Here are a variety of the parts, pieces, and forms that crews are using to build the tunnel segments. These blue bars are what will actually move the tunnel segments when it comes time to install the tunnel. They will be placed between the jacks and tunnel segments to expand the reach of the jacks. To finish, here's a look at the work going on at the interchange between State Road 528 and Interstate 95. The ramp leading to the eastern edge of the bridge over Interstate 95 is complete. This large pile of dirt is the start of the ramp being constructed for the future rerouting of State Road 528, which will end up taking the roadway over the tracks. The trench seen here is where the tracks will pass under the 528. The rest of the dirt will be for the ramp back down to meet the existing alignment of State Road 528. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.